In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name cells in Microsoft Excel. If you work in Excel often, naming cells or ranges can make your spreadsheet much easier to understand and use. Instead of relying on cell references like A1 or D12, you can give a cell or group of cells a clear, meaningful name. This helps you stay organized and can also make formulas easier to read later on. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to name cells. Make sure you're in the correct file before continuing, especially if you work with multiple spreadsheets at once. Once the workbook is open, go to the worksheet that contains the cell or range you want to label. Next, select the cell or range of cells that you want to name. This can be a single cell or it can be a group of cells. If you want the name to refer to a larger section of data, take a moment to confirm that you've highlighted exactly what you want, because the name you create will be attached to that selection. After that, look near the top of the Excel window for the name box. This is located to the left of the formula bar. The name box usually displays the reference of the currently selected cell, such as A1, B5, or another location depending on what you clicked. Once you find it, click directly inside the name box. Now type the name you want to assign to the selected cell or range. Choose something short, clear, and easy to remember, since this name may be used again later when navigating your workbook or creating formulas. A descriptive name can save time and help avoid confusion, especially in larger spreadsheets. When you've entered the name, press Enter on your keyboard. This confirms the name and applies it to the selected cell or range. At that point, the name is saved and Excel will recognize it as a reference for that location. And that's it. You've successfully named a cell or range in Microsoft Excel. As a quick tip, naming important cells can make your workbook more user-friendly and easier to maintain over time. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you want to move around a spreadsheet quickly or keep your data organized. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to name cells in Microsoft Excel.